Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
We are currently on our way to Habitat Noosa with some friends of ours for a few nights. And it's about 2.5 hours from our place, but 25 minutes from Noosa. And if you don't know where Noosa is, that is actually in the Sunshine Coast, which is one of our favourite places. One day we will live there.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed, one day. But yes, so Habitat Noosa, you can find that on Hip Camp to stay. You can either stay in a safari tent, you can camp along the water, the lake, or you can obviously, have your caravan or whatever.
Yeah, they also have a few acres of just free camp for anyone to pull up with their own 12-volt setup and a swag and live the life looking at the greenery.
It is very beautiful out there and picturesque. But yeah, we will show you a bit more about that when we do arrive there. We've got about 2 hours to go.
When you first check into Habitat Noosa, you get given a park map to show where you are staying, but you also get a fob or a swipe, however you want to say it, to get through these boom gates.
Right in front of you is the glamping tents. Over to the right hand side we have the men's and women's shower block that is available for use for the whole campsite. Our friends and I are staying on site 27 and 26, which you can see here on the map.
The next day.
We woke up this morning and it was way too hot to stay at the campground, so we decided to take a drive to Kenilworth Bakery. Kenilworth Bakery is located in Kenilworth. They also have a bakery in Mooloolaba and in Bribie Island. Kenilworth Bakery are known for their 1 kilogram donut challenge and also their 1 kilo sausage rolls. One of our favourite things from Kenilworth Bakery is the coffee donut. The donut is laced with Nutella and then put into a coffee. It is delicious. On this visit, we did not get this coffee because it was way too hot. But as you can see, we got lots of other donuts.
The next day.
Don't forget to like this video.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
We are. Oh, yeah, good morning, Jules. We are here at Habitat Noosa and we're just going on a adventure. Well, a mini adventure on a little hike through the rainforest. If you can see that. Our kids are all the way out the front. But we're set up and ready to go.
Longer than a few minutes later.
So guys, here at Habitat Noosa, you can choose to stay in the safari tents or glamping tents. These ones here are the glamping tents and they look so beautiful. There's enough privacy and quite often you'll find there's some kangaroos that are up, you know, just grazing in the grass or fighting each other, whichever they're doing on the day. But also it's not far from the shower block and the restaurant, so I will just show you. The shower block is just there, and then you've got the restaurant there, and you've got the lake over there, a camp kitchen. It also has some filtered water, which is great for some people that don't take water with them often. But look how beautiful these are. And they've got their own little fire pits, so it's perfect for winter. And then some grassed areas. It's starting to get a bit busy now that it's coming into the weekend and the end of the year. The school holidays are near. But yeah, we certainly want to stay in one of these one day, but I think our caravan is pretty much glamping in itself, isn't it, really? But yeah, and there's a path along here, which you're not really supposed to be walking through if you're not a guest staying at the glamping tents. But yeah, we'll show you some of the other sites very soon. I just thought I'd like to mention too that the shower blocks are very clean. Also the toilets, they're cleaned quite often here, which is a bonus because sometimes everyone knows when you go camping, the toilets can be a bit disgusting, but they're really well maintained. Charlotte and I are just heading to the water. That's where the boys are there. Yeah, the boys are playing. We just had some ice cream. We had some ice cream from the gelato bar.
And tonight we're gonna watch people sing.
Yeah, there's a live band playing tonight. Seems to be a bit of an event on as well. So it's a bit busy already.
I found this teddy.
So as you can see, here's the beautiful lake. The boys are just there.
Daddy! Daddy!
Oh God. The water's very shallow. As you can see, there's people all the way out there. And I'm not sure where it drops and gets pretty deep, but we lazed around here all day. The water is very warm. It's not really refreshing, to be honest with you, but it's better than sitting in the heat and sweating. Hey, Charlotte.
Freezing.
Yeah, I know, that's why you hopped out, hey.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So as Jules was saying, we are on site 27 and we'll just do a bit of a run around on the site. Habitat Noosa Everglades Eco Camp was awarded Australia's Best New Tourism Business. It is located 25 minutes from Noosa, set amongst 65 acres of national park and perched on the edge of the picturesque Lake Coothrabar. Boasting a number of waterfront activities from stand-up paddleboards, canoes, wave skis, kayaks and tinny hire to frisbee golf in a bushland setting. The Great Sandy National Park location extends a number of walking trails where you can get up close and personal with the abundant wildlife and discover the rich history of the region. The Coothrabar and bistro dishes are inspired by the region's fresh local produce, and the microbrewery boasts 8 tasty beers brewed on site. The Eco Camp is the gateway to one of only 2 Everglades in the world, where the tea tree-infused waterways and ancient rainforests provide a truly memorable tour experience. Habitat Noosa Everglades Eco Camp is the ultimate accessible wilderness experience. Thanks for watching our video at Habitat Noosa.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.